storage time. Okay, let's see what we find in these boxes. Oh, that's a lot. So I have no idea what I have here, so let's take a look. These are for the remote control Thomas chassis, for the wagon, for the tender, and these are some Thomas from 2009 that I used to get some parts out of it, like the electric motor, rubber tires, and other parts. And also I made some custom models from this. Yeah, I used to make the Halloween train out of it. Nice. Here are more tops or shells. Yeah, nice. I think we can do something later. And what's this? Okay, a custom troublesome boxcar. Oh, look at this. And here we have some metal die-cast models. I think these are take and play or take along. Here is okay, this is Ferdinand. Let me see what else. We have some cards. And I think this is for Madge, I think. Or Madge, I don't know. Okay, we have some James. Look, Lady. I think it's for Rocky. So another James tender. Oh, look, I found Ferdinand's tender. Nice. So what else? Another James. And here is the tender. More cards. Yeah, another Rocky's card. And another James and Percy, another card. So I have no idea what I have on my storage. Oh, look at this. Thermal sheds. I used to buy a lot of these, and I think this was sold for parts. And yes, for parts. More Thomas shells or tops. Nice. I hope we can find something really good around here. Oh, look, here is Freddy. It needs only the wheels and the electric motor. What do we have here? Let me see. Okay, so we have Emily's part of chassis and Salty, the top. Some parts for what's this? Victor. What else? Some other parts, chassis for Emily, and this is for Salty. Yes, Salty. And another parts. Oh, look at this. Long time ago I made this custom Timothy the Ghost engine, but I didn't like it. I think it was 2 years ago I made a lot of this. Yes. So here we have a remote control model Thomas, missing the cover and the remote. What else can we find here? Oh, here is another Victor. I always used to get the electric motor from out of Victor. Okay, here is a Toby's top, another Thomas. Oh, look at this ugly Gordon. He looks creepy. No pupils. Missing the eyes. Okay, what else? More Thomas chassis. Percy. Oh, look at this. some carts, wagons for models, Trackmaster models. What else? What else? These are for steam along. Oh, look, this belongs to diesel 10. I think I have here. This is not really good. It's missing the tabs, but here is the diesel 10 chassis. What else? Yeah, works. Another Scarroy, another cart, and more parts. Angry Birds Pig. Oh, look at here. We found the Timo shell's roof. 1, 2, 3. And here are the doors. Never open. Never had a chance to open it. Okay, it's missing the doors, the swing doors, but the frame it's okay. More parts, another door frame, continuous shed, a lot of parts. There's only parts, nothing else. Oh, what is in here? So we have a salty, talking salty. It may need a little bit of cleaning. Nice. What else? What else? What else? These are from Steam Alone model parts. Okay. Oh, look, more die-cast or a... What's this? Gordon, Plarail, Annie, I don't know. James. Another part of James, Spencer. So these are take along, take and play. Another electric motor, tracks. I hope oh, look, here is a complete set of the door. Cool. What do we have here? So we have some gearboxes, and this one is Plarail, and the other one is Tommy, and some Trackmaster. Nice. Look at this. So we have 3 Tobys from Take and Play. Oh, this one looks really good. Clean. Nice. I didn't know I had these models. But anyway, so this one is from Rocky. And here are some other parts from Rocky. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this, but we're gonna find out soon. Maybe just a rewiring. What's this? Okay. Oh, I need this part. Nothing else from here. Let me see. Some other shell stuff. Oh, look, I can do a Timothy Ghost engine out of it. Here is from Steam Alone model. Here is for another one for. Oh, look this. Flora's shell. I almost forgot. So we find Rocky's cover or top shell. I hope we complete the set. Here is another Freddy's chassis. More cards. Crappy PS3 remote. Oh, look at this one. Long time ago I made these models. Customizer. James Tender. Look okay. So we have the complete exterior. It just need the electric motor. We are good with the model. Look at this nice fine. So we have a talking Toby from Take and Play. Nice. So I think that's all for today's, guys.